This is the last type of speech delivery for this video lesson series. The manuscript speech is the easiest to deliver. It is also the weakest in terms of establishing immediacy or rapport. Whenever we listen or watch the president deliver his sona, we are witnessing a manuscript speech being delivered. Manuscript speaking is reading a written text to an audience. It came from two Latin words, manuscriptus, which means to write by hand. Everything used to be written by hand. Now, the word manuscript refers to the original version of any complete text. What advantages does manuscript speech have? We can put together the exact words we want. We can totally plan the overall pacing. We can choose when and how fast or how slow we should deliver the words, or mark where we should go slow or go fast. What disadvantages does manuscript speaking have? Speaker and audience can both easily lose focus. It is tough to sound natural when one is purely reading the script. We tend to belittle preparation time needed for this type of delivery, and so we fail to meet expectations more often in manuscript speaking. When can manuscript speech come handy? When we need to share the exact message verbatim. When we need to avoid being misquoted or misinterpreted. When we cannot afford to be misunderstood, for the exact words have to be followed to the letter. When Mr. Nervous goes with Miss Excitement, we cannot take the mic to simply say, "I'm speechless, thank you." How can we successfully deliver a manuscript speech? Unless we all have 20/20 vision, we do not need to go large. We have to avoid straining our eyes, more so when we are in a conference hall and not under the heat of the sun. We have to know where to pause, where to stop, where to go fast or where to go slow, and where to extend silence. Still, we hear speakers who love prepositions too much or could not be bothered with stress, the monotonous pain. When it is a story, a poem, an article, or a proclamation, we have to deliver it exactly as written. The ideas are not ours. The author is to be heard through our voice. We have to connect. We are not writing a book. We have to write our manuscript like how we would literally talk about the topic. Whenever we could afford, we can increase eye contact and support and enhance our presence with the audience by using a teleprompter usually placed right below the camera lens. Practice, practice, practice is very important.
Take care, stay safe. See you later.